Discover new tours and surprises with Cyclo Discover GPS touring computer. In this video, we'll show you how easily the device can support your journey. Are you a well-planned traveler? You definitely don't want to miss a beautiful castle or a secret alley or a comfortable camping site during the journey. NeveMiss empowers you to be your own tour guide. Let's start planning the tour. By free Share cloud service, you can easily create a tour on a computer or a tablet browser. Let's start with a sample tour planning in Amsterdam. New place information could be added by a web link. Just simply copy and paste the link. Let Share fill in the information for you automatically. Don't forget to categorize it for future easy search. Pin the location on the map. The next destination with touring information is created. Save the tour and finish the planning. The new place manager is for you to store your saved places for reuse next time. Use USB cable or Wi-Fi to sync the saved tour to your Cyclo Discover. The saved tour is in the new tour function. There are 3 sources: Share, Komoot, and Route U. A NeveMiss tour has a list to show all stops. You can decide to skip certain stops. Once you are approaching a stop, it will show a QR code notification to remind you to check the location. Use a smartphone camera to scan it to get the touring information. Tired of the same route? Try Surprise Me. It creates 3 different routes for you. Enter a certain distance or time. After the calculation, it will show you 3 different routes. It can see per route in different elevations, such as the maximum slope. And you can just pick one. Now you will be guided by Surprise Me. During the navigation, you can see your elevation again. You can know how easy or difficult it is. Without USB cable, you could sit and view trip history or plan your next tour with your tablet. Enjoy effortless recording data upload and track download by wireless sync. Can't wait for your next tour? Take Cyclo Discover for your adventure.